Hello. Uh, Here we have a question in which it is being given that a person stands on a bathroom scale in a motionless elevator, and when the elevator begins to move, the scale reads briefly only 1.8 of person's regular weight. Okay. Calculate the acceleration of the elevator. Yeah. Okay. So we know that the scale reads only the normal force, that is normal reaction. Okay. So we will be using the equation F, that is normal reaction. We should write normal reaction Fn minus this mg, that is the weight of the person, equal to mass.